Meet the new Rise, NEET and JEE Prep Guide and Analytical Application Rise. Rise is an application that helps students to achieve optimal time management in their efforts to attain ranks and grades they dream of. Whether the student is preparing for a NEET or JEE exam, Rise wants them to be ready and confident with all their abilities. This is possible with constant relevant practice tests of different levels with smart methodologies and well-prepared crisp notes that they can refer to in a short span during revision and exam time. Come, rise above yourself. Rise is the prep buddy you need. The learning material it provides will give you crisp, concise notes and important information like formulas, equations, etc. that you need to remember before an exam. Custom practice tests. With wide variety of filters at Rise, you can choose a test that will help you practice better. These tests could be easy, moderate or hard, a previous test paper, or a complete test with all the things you want to practice. Reflect and Reassess. With its machine learning and analytics software, Rise will help you figure out where, why, and how you're going wrong in your tests. So you can save time in trying to figure out the errors all by yourself. Now it's time to test your knowledge, track your progress, analyze the results, and try out Rise. Rise, the perfect guide.